So if you want to also create these sort of viral videos, watch this video till the end, because I'm going to show you step by step how you can create this exact type of content using AI. And the best part, it's much easier than you think. So let's get started. So step number 1, go to pinterest.com. Now search for the type of video you want to create. For example, I'm going to create a swimming pool restoration video. So I'll search for swimming pool. You'll see a lot of images appear. Pick any image you like and download it. I'll choose this one. To download it, click on the 3 dots and hit download. Now go back and open ChatGPT. Once inside, click the menu icon, then go to the apps, open GPTs. Now search for restoration templates. You'll see the GPT profile. Select it and click start. Now click the plus icon, go to photos, upload the image you just downloaded from Pinterest. Once uploaded, simply type start and hit on send. Now wait a few seconds. The GPT will automatically generate both the image prompt and the video prompt, everything you need. Now once it's done, let me show you how to generate high quality images. First, copy the first image prompt, then open Google Flow AI, sign in using any Google account. Now click on new project. This time make sure you select image generation model. Since we are making shorts videos, choose the 9:16 ratio. Now paste your image prompt, click on generate, wait a few seconds. As you can see, our first high quality image is already ready. Choose the version you like and download it. Now remove the old prompt, go back to ChatGPT, copy the second image prompt, paste it inside Flow AI, generate it again. Now here you can see our second image is also generated. Now download it and repeat the same process until all of your image prompts are converted into pictures. Alright, now all our images are ready. Next, let's convert these images into videos. Inside Flow AI, click on new project again. Now switch to frame to video mode. Next, click on the plus icon, select upload image. Now choose your first image, crop it properly according to the frame, then click crop and save. As you can see, the first image is added. Now click the plus again, upload the second image. Once that's done, go back to ChatGPT, copy your first image prompt, come back to Flow AI, paste the prompt into the box. Now click generate and wait a little, and our first video is ready. Let me show you. It looks great, right? Now click download and export it in original quality. Now click the plus button again, upload your third image, then click the second plus button, upload the fourth image. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy your second video prompt, paste it inside Flow AI, click generate, wait a few seconds, and just like that, your second video is ready too. Look at this. Pretty satisfying, right? And that's the whole workflow. Step 1, find a reference image from Pinterest. Step 2, use the ChatGPTs to generate image and video prompts. Step 3, generate images inside Flow AI. Step 4, animate them using frame-to-frame video in Flow AI. And that's it. That is exactly how people are creating these satisfying restoration time-lapse videos and getting millions of views. And the opportunity is still huge. So, if you start now, you can still ride this trend early. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. And as always, you're watching DeepMind AI, and I'll see you in the next one.